In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Slides presentations using templates. Whether you're preparing for a business meeting, a school project, or just want to organize some thoughts visually, Google Slides is a fantastic user-friendly tool. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Google Slides website. Open your preferred web browser and simply type in Google Slides into the search bar. Click on the first link that appears, which should take you directly to the Google Slides page. Alternatively, you could type in the URL docs.google.com/presentation and you'll be taken straight there. Now, this step is your gateway to accessing the platform where all the magic happens. Next up, if you aren't already signed into your Google account, you'll need to do so now. Look in the top right corner of your screen for the sign in button. By clicking on it, a login window will appear. Enter your email and password associated with your Google account. This step is crucial since an account is necessary to save your work effectively and ensure you can access your presentation from any device later. Once you're logged in, you should be taken to the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll be greeted with a clean interface, showcasing some of your recent presentations, and most importantly, a variety of templates just waiting to be used. You can take a moment to look around if you're new to the site, familiarize yourself with the layout. It's designed to be intuitive and straightforward. Now comes the fun part, selecting a template for your presentation. Navigate to the template gallery at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a diverse selection of templates catered to different presentation needs. From professional business layouts to playful themes for more casual presentations. You should find something that suits your needs, whatever your purpose may be. Hover over each option to get a preview of what it looks like and what content layouts are included. Once you've selected a template that fits your purposes, click on it and it will automatically create a fresh presentation with that template. This is your canvas. You'll notice that the slides have placeholder text and images which can guide you as you customize your content. Feel free to click into each field and start typing to replace the placeholders with your information. Don't forget to tweak the design to your liking, maybe change up some colors or fonts to really make it your own. And that's the foundational process to get you started with Google Slides using templates. I hope you found this guide useful and now feel equipped to create effective, visually appealing presentations. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!